Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. I'm Ada, and I'm really excited about our topic.
Hi Ada, hi listeners. Today's topic is all about hobbies and free time activities, something everyone enjoys.
That's right, Jake. Talking about hobbies helps us improve our English and share interesting ideas about what we love to do in our free time.
Let's start with some common hobby vocabulary. Words like painting, gardening, reading, or playing an instrument are great examples.
Yes, and we can use phrases such as, "In my free time, I enjoy," or "One of my favorite hobbies is." These help you express your interests clearly.
For example, you might say, "In my free time, I enjoy gardening because it relaxes me." It's simple but effective for daily conversations.
Also, talking about hobbies helps us connect with others. Asking questions like, "What do you like to do in your free time?" is a great way to start conversations.
Let's look deeper at how to describe hobbies. You can say, "I'm passionate about painting," or "I've recently started learning the guitar." These give more detail.
Exactly. You can also use verbs like to enjoy, to love, or to like to convey your feelings about your hobbies, such as, "I love reading novels on weekends."
In daily life, people often ask about hobbies during introductions or small talk. Answering with clear phrases makes your English sound natural.
There are also phrasal verbs related to hobbies. For example, take up means to start a new hobby. You could say, "I took up photography last year."
A common mistake is confusing take up with pick up. While take up means to start, pick up can mean to learn again, like I'm picking up my piano skills after a break.
That's a great point, Jake. Also, remember to use the correct prepositions like interested in painting or good at playing chess. Prepositions can be tricky.
Here's a tip. Listen carefully to native speakers and notice how they use these words and phrases with hobbies. That helps you sound more natural and confident.
Pronunciation is important too. Practice saying words like photography or gardening slowly at first, then faster. Pay attention to stress and intonation to sound clearer.
Let's try a quick example. If I say, "I love to take up new hobbies when I travel," what hobbies might I enjoy? Painting, cooking? What about you, Ada?
Great question, Jake. I'd say cooking different cuisines and learning local crafts are hobbies I enjoy while traveling. It's a fun way to connect with culture.
Speaking of culture, hobbies differ worldwide. For example, gardening is very popular in some countries, while in others, team sports like soccer are the favorite pastime.
To summarize, talking about hobbies helps you practice useful phrases, understand vocabulary better, and connect with others in English.
Remember to use phrases like "I enjoy," "I'm interested in," and verbs like take up or pick up to express your hobbies clearly and confidently.
Keep practicing your pronunciation and try to ask friends or classmates about their hobbies. This will make your English more natural and enjoyable.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and practice talking about your hobbies every day. See you next time.